Sometimes I just wake up at night, wonder if I'm doing things right. Bloodshot eyes, so tired, but my mind tries telling me I could do more, I should be more hard to ignore. Look at the mirror, am I before the after? The next chapter, I gotta master getting after. Identity is being fractured. I'm tired from my choices, from the voices telling me this all is pointless.
And I don't give a damn about it. You ain't gonna hear a thing, but bitch, I'm getting louder. Cause the less I seem to say, the more I feel the power. Keep my discipline the same, I'm tracking every hour. And I know just what it takes to stay in and day out, never having any doubts. Steady, keep my head down, dig deep, that's when I found everything I need. Execution leads to a belief, stay consistently in a routine till I've earned everything. You said you do. Are you gonna dream like you still believe? Are you gonna take what you really want? Are you gonna give everything? I'll never let go, 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 go. I'll never let go, 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 go. I'll wear the pain and take and do it all again. Do it every day. Trip, it's a long script, white knuckle grip, hits different when you want it. I'm familiar with the grind, the exhaustion, fighting to survive, got nothing in my pocket. I'm consistent, the world will know I've been on a mission, no fishing. When I speak the word, they gonna listen. It's written, I can see the future, see the vision. Yeah, I see it. Now I'm gon' run it, get shit done, head down, straight gun it. Discipline wins over skill, gotta want it. Fire inside and I like what I'm becoming. I know I'm worth something, I gotta keep trusting what I already know. That all of this work leads to something more. Open new doors leading to a new life, and I will walk through to the other side. To the other side.